On the local labor front, the country added more than 320,000 jobs last year, having recorded the highest employment rate. Those aged 60 and above in particular saw the biggest job increase, whereas there were fewer jobs for younger people. Kun-woo has more.
South Korea's latest employment figures have been published and are showing positive signs. According to Statistics Korea on Wednesday, a total of 327,000 jobs were added on year in 2023, which was actually a drop from the year before. But that was mainly due to the base effect, as the jobs market recovered in 2022 following the easing of COVID-19 restrictions. 816,000 jobs were added that year. The employment rate for those aged 15 and above in 2023 rose 0.5 percentage points compared to the year before, to 62.6%, a record high since data was first compiled in 1963. An official from Statistics Korea said reduced COVID-19 restrictions increased demand, including at cafes and restaurants, while the need for caregivers, especially for seniors after the pandemic, helped to boost employment figures. By industry, sectors including the accommodation and food service sectors saw jumps in employment of around 11,000 after COVID-19 measures were eased last year. But the manufacturing and wholesale and retail fields saw employment figures drop due to shrinking exports and more online transactions, respectively. Those aged 60 and above saw the biggest increase in job additions, with 366,000 added, while the number of people in that age group working passed 6 million for the first time last year.
More people aged 60 and above and higher demand for employees in that age group in the health and welfare industry are factors behind job additions in the age group.
She added that despite fewer additions for people in their 20s, the employment rate for young adults was quite high, considering population decline in that age group. Meanwhile, 285,000 jobs were added in December 2023 alone, a rebound from November when the on-month numbers fell. Kun-woo, Arirang News.